Hello, welcome back to the shop. Today we are going to build a zero insert for the Shopsmith Table Saw. When I bought this, all it came with is with this insert. And I want to use the dado stack that I have for my next project. And since I don't have an insert, I'm going to attempt to make one today. I've got a piece of pallet wood, which may make it even more challenging to make it. So let's see what happens. So Charles and I are first going to sand this down and cut it up to size. So let's get to it. Ready? Okay. All right. So what have we done so far?
We have cut it down to size, then we sanded it and jointed it and made sure it fit in here a couple of times.
Okay. Yes. So basically I put it on the sander first since it is pallet wood and I don't have a pinpoint metal detector finder thing. I ran it on the sander, the bell sander, to see if it showed any nails. I didn't see any nails. So yep, we jointed one side, squared it up, cut the other side to width, and now next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the old insert and we're going to go ahead and draw a template on the new inserts. So, all right.
Let's get to it.
Bang, bang, bang.
All right. Well, I've got it rounded off. I've got the rabbit all the way around. It's not that pretty, but it's working. I just got buzzed by a ladybug. I went in countersunk. I don't have a countersunk bit, so I just took a drill. And when I went and transferred the holes from this piece to this piece, I flipped it over, and I guess they aren't lined up. So I had to oblong the holes a little bit. And my countersinks. But they're all working now. They're all fine. So the next step here is to punch through with a blade to make the zero insert.
I'm watching a ladybug.
Watching a ladybug. Alrighty.
I saw some wings going to it.
Yep, they have wings.
So.
Plug it in. You getting your ear protection on? Alrighty.
Looks good.
Alright, so let's go do the data.
What's the data?
The one that has all the...
Oh, all the other ribbons.
Yep. Let's take this insert out.
You back. Alright, now time for the dado.
Yep.
Why didn't you go all the way with this one?
Because a dado stack, I'm only going to go so much into the wood, and I'm going to be, when I go into the wood, I'll be going less than the blade height that I had hanging up.
Oh.
But you asked a good question earlier, and I don't know the answer. I guess we can always go on Google and find out. But he asked what did you ask earlier?
Can't remember.
What does a dado stand for? So does it mean anything? So I guess that's the question that I'm asking you guys. I'm sure my dad will answer this. He'll call me up and tell me right away or email me. But what does dado mean? So, alrighty. Well, the only other thing I want to do is put some type of coating on it, so I've got some poly back here. I'm going to put that on there and preserve it, and I will use this for my next project.
Which would be what?
Cast iron hanger. We're gonna make something to hang up all of our cast iron. So, well, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, it'd be a great time for you to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment or question below, and thanks for watching. That's it. All right. I have put 2 coats of polyurethane on them. Looks pretty good.